Okay, question 2 is balancing an equation. And so we want to look at this equation, and we have a polyatomic ion. We have nitrate right here. Excuse me. And we want to see if nitrate stays together in the products. So if we come over to the products, we have PbI2, and then we have nitrate stays together. So when we write down what it is we're trying to balance, we want to keep nitrate together because it stays together. If it didn't stay together, it would look like something like this, KNO2 or something similar to that, but it does stay together, and we know it stays together because we have an NO3 and an NO3. We have two NO3s over here, but that doesn't mean anything. It just means that we have two of them, whereas over here we have one of them. So we want to balance it by keeping our nitrate, our polyatomic ion, together. And this is how I like to balance, but you use your method. My only suggestion is that you keep it clean because it can get pretty messy as you're going in and crossing off numbers or changing things. So keep it as organized as you can. All right, so we have one lead. Oops, we have two nitrates. We know we have two nitrates because of this little guy right here. Notice over here, there's no parentheses around NO3, and that tells us that there's just one of them. So we have two nitrates, and we have one potassium and one iodine. Come over here, we have one, and 2. And if you have any questions about how I got these numbers, come into the tutoring center and we can talk about it. Okay, so now we just want to balance. So we have one lead on both sides. We have two nitrates on the reactant side and one on the product side. So I'm just going to write a 2 here. And I'm crossing out my 1 for my potassium because now I have two potassiums, right? I put a 2 in front of the potassium nitrate. So now I'm saying I have two potassiums and two nitrates. All right, so now I have one lead. Great, I have two nitrates. Well, now I have two potassiums to 1, so I need to come over here and write a 2. And now let's check again. I have one lead, two nitrates, two potassiums, and two iodines. And that is a balanced equation. So now we need to come up here and find, this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 4, so it's not this guy. This one has 2, but this one doesn't have 2, this Ki right here. So I'm gonna cross this off. No, it's not this one. So this one, D.